Jamela Pettiford, the renowned singer, vocalist, teacher, educator, you name it, visionary. Hey.
Okay, now check this out.
Yes.
We're live actually in Times Square right now, obviously. Now look, tell me, tell me about your journey actually investing in yourself to actually be at the premiere of the Lost Negroes of North America in New York City. What was that process like, that belief like? And why did you decide to do that as a vocalist, as an artist?
Yeah, well, if you don't believe in yourself, then no one will. I truly believe that you teach people how to treat you by how you treat yourself. And so when Brother Ralph called me and said, Jamela, look, we have an opportunity to break it down in Manhattan, to do some powerful connections and some things, some collaborations, I instantly was inspired. And everything fell together like it was supposed to. And that's how I knew it was supposed to happen. What I needed came to be. What I needed came about. And so here I am. I'm grateful to be here. I'm grateful to have anointed the stage at the symphony space, right? And to be able to highlight the beauty of this project that Brother Ralph put together.
But I knew that there had to be something other than just the film and silence. So the way that I thought would be a powerful tool to do that was to organize a group of talented musicians like this to interpret the spirit. And that's a language in itself. The music is a form of communication that isn't necessarily spoken word, but it's a language. It's a vibration.
Investing in yourself.
Yes, invest in yourself.
You're getting ready to walk into an opportunity tonight. That was an invite by a fellow musician.
Yes.
Like
to the New Blue.
Yeah, which speaks to your spirit, your faith.
Yeah.
How important is it to walk into your blessings, and what do you expect is going to happen with you tonight at the open mic?
Well, the brother is a part of the house band at the New Blue. He said anybody who's anybody in music, in producing of music, and the making of music in New York shows up on Monday nights at the New Blue. He said, do you want me to put you on the list? I said, absolutely. He said, you got it, VIP. And so I want you to know, when you invest in yourself, when you walk out on faith, when you are a faith walker, when you trust something bigger than yourself, what's a couple dollars? You can always get that back, but you only get opportunities one time. And so I'm grateful for investing in myself. I'm grateful for walking in faith. I'm grateful for all of my ancestors, the prayers of my ancestors, and moving in what I know rightfully belongs to me. Yeah. Take me back. bless you all. I'm Jamela Pettiford. God bless you. Let's go back to those old days. Huh? Take me back.